Your property value might be at risk in 2025, and most homeowners don't even know it. Here's what the experts aren't telling you. Your home is your largest investment. It is your castle. It is your financial bedrock. But the ground beneath that bedrock is shifting. Today is November 16th, 2025. The rules of real estate have changed. Threats you cannot see are gathering force. They are ready to erode your home's value. Supply, demand. It is a complex system of interconnected forces. Many owners are blind to these dangers. They believe the market of yesterday is the market of today. They are wrong. This is your wake-up call, your field guide to the 5 hidden threats that can crash your home's value in 2025. Your financial future depends on it. The market is no longer a simple game. New data analytics, shifting climate patterns, and rapid regulatory adjustments are creating a volatile landscape. A recent Zillow report showed that homes in areas with unaddressed climate risks saw their value appreciation slow by nearly 5%. This is not a future problem. This is happening now. The value you built over years can be wiped out in months. Waiting is not an option. Waiting is a choice to fail. Let's begin. Your city is not static. It is a living entity. It is constantly changing. The rules that govern it, zoning regulations, are in constant flux. These changes are often made quietly, in city council meetings you do not attend, published in documents you do not read. Yet, they can decimate your property value. A decision made on a Tuesday night can turn your quiet residential street into a noisy commercial corridor. Your cul-de-sac could soon overlook a high-rise, stealing your sunlight and your privacy. Your view is gone. Your privacy is gone. When you try to sell, buyers see the new reality. They see a compromised property. Your value plummets. This is not a hypothetical. It happens across the country. The threat may be traffic patterns, tax changes, or density pushes. Action step. Become a student of your municipality. Find long-range plans, zoning maps, and meeting minutes. These are your early warnings. If a change could impact you, attend a meeting. Voice your concerns. Be an active defender of your home's value. The climate is changing. This is not a political statement. It is a financial fact. Wildfires, floods, hurricanes, extreme heat are annual realities, and now they drive home value. Insurers rewrite policies, lenders reassess risk, buyers analyze long-term exposure. A new high-risk designation can cut value overnight. Consider a coastal home. Decades of gains, then updated FEMA maps put it in a special flood hazard area. Flood insurance skyrockets, or is denied. Buyers react. Lenders require costly coverage. The buyer pool shrinks. Value is impaired. This isn't just coastal. Inland flooding and expanding wildfire zones are reshaping markets. These risks cascade. First premiums rise, then lending hesitates, finally demand evaporates. Act now, digitally. Use Risk Factor and FEMA. Enter your address, see your flood, fire, and heat scores. Then call your agent and ask how new models affect premiums. The most immediate threat may be lurking behind your walls, under your floors, and above your ceiling. Aging roof, outdated electrical, failing plumbing, a cracked foundation, ticking time bombs. Today's buyers bring skilled inspectors. They will find these issues. The report reveals a roof at end of life, a hazardous panel, signs of slow leaks. Confidence shatters. A $15,000 roof becomes a $40,000 discount. A $5,000 rewiring job can kill the deal. Beat the buyer to the punch. Hire your own certified inspector. Get a complete, unbiased report. Address critical items on your timeline with contractors you choose. Control the narrative. Present repairs and receipts as proof of a well-maintained home. This builds trust and protects your price. Progress can be a gift or a curse. A nearby light rail station can boost value. High-end retail can lift neighborhood desirability. But a logistics center means trucks, noise, air pollution, and congestion. 24 hours a day. A freeway may cut commute times, but a sound wall in your backyard crushes appeal. Announcements can spike prices, but years of construction noise, dust, and detours depress values. Action step. Check capital improvement plans and planning agendas on city and county sites. Visit the site, observe traffic, talk to neighbors. Build a complete picture of impact. With intelligence, decide whether to hold, sell, or fight. Rising interest rates, sticky inflation, AI-driven pricing models, and shifting buyer behavior are rewriting comps. Each quarter-point increase reduces your buyer pool and time on market widens. Advice: monitor monthly market reports, track absorption and price cuts, and consult top local agents. Not all markets move together. Micro markets matter. Get the data. Adjust strategy. Move first. We have uncovered the hidden threats: regulatory shifts, climate risks, silent decay, development impacts, and market forces. Complacency is your enemy. Passivity is your downfall. The time for hoping and waiting is over. The time for decisive, strategic action is now. First, assess your position. Schedule a comprehensive inspection and find hidden problems before a buyer does. Simultaneously, conduct a digital audit, climate scores, zoning, and development plans. This is your situational report, a clear view of vulnerabilities. Build defenses, repair critical items, keep every receipt, document every upgrade. Engage externally, attend meetings, write letters, ensure coverage, and explore mitigation like flood vents and fire-resistant landscaping. Your home, likely your largest asset, is exposed. Start today. Get the inspection. Check the maps. Call your agent. Talk to a planner. Create your plan.